Guess who's back? Back again. Headband wigs are back, baby. With another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. If you are subscribed already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area, but I am super excited. I am super excited to show y'all guys this. I am. And you want to know why? Because guess who's back? Back again. Headband wigs are back, baby. You guys know the headband wigs were all the craze for a long time. And just all of a sudden, it just got quiet. Okay, it got quiet. And I feel like some people were low-key trying to like sleep on headband wigs. But I've always loved headband wigs, okay? And Myfirstwig said, we back. We back, baby. Okay, Headband Wig 2.0. We back with the new. So I am very excited to get into this. Of course, this is the bag that your unit will come in. And then they did include like a beginner kit. This is optional. You do not have to purchase this if you do not want to. That's just an option on the website. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It does come with a dark wig cap. You see, there's some curls, all right? So let's get into this. So this is Irene. This is their curly headband wig. You have the 2C 3A texture going on. This is also Indian hair. It is in the length 18 inches. This headband construction is a little bit different, okay? Because one, look at that. Let me get up close. There it goes. Okay, so this one comes with the elastic band for more secure and longer lifespan. It also comes with your adjustable drawstring. It has an air circulation cap, so that makes it more breathable. You also get your adjustable band in the back. Okay, they said they're not playing. You get a comb on each side. You also get a comb in the back. So this should fit you really good. And then of course, let me move that out the way. Of course, you get your headband area also. I'm happy to see them back, and I'm curious how this new construction is going to work. You guys know I have a small head. Now I have a pixie cut, so we really gonna have to see, because I had to kind of style my hair a little bit different underneath, and that's okay because we're still gonna get together. Also had to buy some new headbands because I didn't have any left, because I don't have any headband wigs left in my stash. So I was really excited about this one. So I went on Amazon and purchased all these. I'm not gonna try them all on, but I will leave a link down below for those who want to know about, you know, these particular headbands. Let's put this on, because I don't know if I'm gonna have to tighten this up. And you can also remove this band right here, so I think that that's good. But yeah, let me go ahead and put my wig cap on and let's get this together. So the first thing I noticed, because I was like, something's missing. Something is missing. And what's missing is right here, this band where you have the Velcro piece at. I'm so used to having to Velcro that, but you don't have to do that anymore. So I'm like, okay. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. You could pull this back some, but like I said, because of my pixie cut, it ain't much left to be desired. The way it's kind of low, but we still can show the sides a little bit, and I could go back a little bit. What the hair is looking like, okay, very secure. I honestly probably could tighten it up a little bit more if I wanted it to be super snug, but it fits good on my head. There's not a lot of band, well, there's not a lot of cap left in the back. I am using that comb back there, and I tightened that strap in the back, and I just kind of tucked it underneath. So I feel like I could tighten it up a little bit more, but it doesn't feel like it's going to flop off of my head, which is good because I do have such a small head. And yeah, the curls on this are nice, but of course I'm going to kind of play around with them and just see what it looks like if I wanted it to be a little bit more defined. But the good thing is, if you wanted to style this straight out of the box and you have somewhere to go, you can just kind of fluff it up a little bit and go on about your business and put a headband on. This shouldn't take me no time to get together. I'm so excited about this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final look and also so you can hear my final thoughts. So I had to lower my seat to give you guys the full look of this ponytail. This came out so cute. I didn't do anything extra to it. Now, if I had a turban, I definitely would have pushed it up like just a little bit more. But I'm okay with this. I did switch out my headbands for you guys because I wanted you to see the different ones. Like I said, I ordered a few of them, but I wanted to give you guys more fall, winter type of look. So like I said, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you guys can check out those. But very, very comfortable on. I did end up pushing this back a little bit just so you can see my hair. My hair is very low on the side, so it didn't even matter. Okay, it didn't even matter. As long as I can show a little bit right here, that is fine. But guys, I am absolutely loving, okay, the new 2.0. The first thing I noticed, like I said, is it didn't have any Velcro in the back. You guys know with headband wigs that Velcro starts to get old, and then you try to figure out how to pin it and tuck it. You ain't got to worry about that no more. Use your drawstring, use your elastic band, and you're good to go. Now, I did add a bobby pin on each side when I did this high ponytail just so that it wouldn't lift, because I do have such a short cut in the back. That comb don't have much to hold on to, and I'm okay with that, but I still am not worried about it going anywhere. I didn't put any combs on the side in the front area, and I feel like it's very secure on my head. And I also love that the headband part is not too thick, and I also love that this headband does cover that area up. So you can definitely get some different looks going on when it comes to this unit. You guys are half up, half down, and then just wearing it the regular way. Now, I did define these curls using my Tresemme Flawless curls because I wanted something that was really light. I didn't go through with a brush or anything. I just used a comb to kind of detangle it out before I added my products, and I used my fingers to run through the hair. The hair was very easy for me to run my fingers through. I did get just a very, very small amount of shedding. I thought the shedding was pretty good for it to be straight out of the box. And then as far as snags go, because of this texture, I mean, come on, you're just gonna have to expect it. And I did fluff it up a little using my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. I'm noticing just a little bit of frizziness, but because of how the hair texture feels, and I feel like it's gonna be easy for you to detangle, you are gonna have to have some maintenance, but I think it's gonna be pretty simple and easy. It's very comfortable on my head also. Guys, I don't really have anything bad to say about this unit. Now, if you have a smaller head than me, I feel like this might just be a little bit too big, because there was a little space as I started to kind of push the hair up and play around with it a little bit more. There's like a little bit of room in the cap area, but it's not like a bulging cap, if that makes any sense. It's just if I picked it up, you could feel it a little bit, but nothing for me to be concerned about. Say that if you do have a smaller head, that's where you're going to run into. But the drawstring, it was very easy for me to pull. Y'all know I be having a heavy hand and I be breaking drawstrings. I was really careful when it came to this one. I just tucked it under, and when I used those bobby pins in the back, I just kind of pinned it so that it wouldn't move or anything. But are y'all feeling that headband wigs back? Because I am loving this, okay? I am loving this, and I love the new cap construction curls, but I definitely want to see some body wave, and I definitely want to see a nice little bob and some kinky straight hair. This length is too long for you. It does start at 12 inches on the website, and it goes up to 20 inches, but this is definitely for my ladies who maybe you got a lot to do. You don't want to deal with lace, because not everybody wants to deal with lace, okay? And some people are just insecure about it showing. So if you want to rock different looks, you don't want to have to worry about lace, glue, adhesive, you don't want to do none of that, but you still want to be cute and have different accessories, definitely check out the website. I'm pretty sure they revamped all the other headband wigs. And if you have not checked out my other headband wig videos, I'm going to make sure to leave them linked down below so you can check them out. But let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling the new construction? If you are, I'm going to make sure to leave a direct link to this one that I am rocking down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.